Hey, what's up, guys? It's Thursday, November 14th, 9:50 a.m. Mountain Time, 2019. We're looking at the live earthquakes map, actually here at the website. You can find down here above the rotating globe, there's been a large 7.1, 7.4 magnitude earthquake. Initial estimates right out of the gate had this at a 7.4, around 38 miles deep. Now it's been downgraded to a 7.1, which is still a respectable large earthquake in the southwestern Pacific Ring of Fire. The earthquake is fairly deep, not triggering any buoys just yet in the region. So as far as any tsunamis or anything like that, I don't think that will be an issue, but we'll have to pay close attention to aftershocks, potential aftershocks at least, in this area, as once again there's been a major earthquake in an earthquake prone zone. There's a lot of activity down here, and historically there has been a lot of very large earthquakes in this area. Papua New Guinea, Tonga, Vanuatu, over here in Indonesia, the Philippines, this one being in Indonesia, Kota Ternate, Indonesia, right here, about 27 miles deep. So more than likely should not be a problem with regard to tsunami. But again, we're going to keep a close eye on aftershocks and more earthquakes coming from that region. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.